When I first started Forex trading and the first time I looked at the chart, I was clueless of what's happening and at the same time very excited. I had no idea of what these red and green candles on the chart are and what do I do next. Many of you watching this video might be beginners and may be confused right now. So in this video, I will tell you about a few things which you should know in the Forex chart if you are a complete beginner. Before we move forward, if you are a beginner in Forex and want to learn about Forex, I have a basic guide to playlist for you all, which will help you get started with Forex right away. You can check it out by clicking the I button. Now, this is tradingview.com where I do all my technical analysis. The reason why I use TradingView is because it is very easy to use and has a very user-friendly interface with lots of tools and other technical indicators. Now, this is how a Forex chart looks. There are different types of charts available like bars, candlesticks, lines charts, etc. When you use a line chart, whatever the movement going on in the market is represented by a line. And when the line moves up, it means that the price is moving up or the price is rising. And when the line moves down, it means that the price is moving down or falling. In the same way, when you use a candlestick chart, the candlesticks show the price movement in the market. Candlesticks are the most preferred chart type for technical analysis. So let us learn about it. A candlestick consists of two main parts, the body and the wick or shadow. This area here is called the body and represents the opening price and the closing price of the candle. The wick represents the highest or the lowest point to which the price moved. Like here in this candlestick, the body of the candlestick started from 0.10136 and ended at 0.09441. This means that the opening price of the candle is 0.10136 and the closing price is 0.09441. Here you can also see wicks the candle created. This tells us the highest price and the lowest price of the candle before it was completed. If you have the chart on a daily setting, each candle represents one day, with open price being the first price traded for the day and the close price being the last price traded for the day. In the same way, if we move to 4-hour chart, one candle will take 4 hours to complete, and if we move to 1-hour chart, one candle will take around 1 hour to complete. Now, many of you may be wondering, why are there different colors to my candlesticks? Like some are white and some are black. Well, there are two different types of candlesticks, bullish candlesticks and the bearish candlesticks. The candlesticks which moves up is called the bullish candlesticks, or when the price moves up, it is called a bullish price movement. And when the price moves down, it is called a bearish candlesticks, and the price movement is called a bearish price movement. Now you can set the color of the candlesticks as per your need. In my chart, my white candlesticks represent bullish price movement and the black candlesticks represent the bearish price movement. Moving forward, there are three types of market: uptrending market or bullish market, downtrending market or bearish market, and the ranging market. When the price keeps on moving up continuously for a few days or some time, it is called an uptrending market or bullish market. And when the price keeps moving down for a few days, it is called as downtrending or a bearish market. And when the price moves sideways, it is called as a ranging market. Like here, you can see the price was continuously moving up. So this was an uptrending or bullish market. Here the price was moving sideways, hence ranging market, and here the price was moving down and hence a downtrending or bearish market. Now to the right we have our market watchlist section, and from here we add different currency pairs to the list and open charts of different currency pairs. So these were a few basic things which you should know about in a Forex chart. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe if you are enjoying the content. See you soon.